must be a fashionable fight. It's drawn the finest people. Where is thy salute?
For presenting yourselves on this battlefield. I give you thanks.
This is our army. To join it, you give homage.
I give homage to Scotland. And if this is your army, why does it go?
We didn't come here to fight for them.
In the morning today, I would like to bring a special topic about very important thing when everybody like this word, brave heart. Brave heart. Right from my experiences over a period of time. You might ask what kind of experience it is. I have direct interaction from a peon of a company, talking to him for half an hour, and $1 billion CEO of the company. And I've been to a hut, a small hut part of a village, also Lancaster Castle near to Buckingham Palace. So I had spent enormous of time living there in a multiple thing. I had experience drinking a glass of tea from a roadside shop, to almost eating food in a world finest star hotels. See, I learned what is brave heart over a period of time. What could be the brave heart? Definitely the meaning. Is it Mel Gibson giving a cheer up speech to lift up the team? Is that really means true heart? What in a real sense of being a brave heart to ordinary and every ordinary man? One thing I realize, right? Brave heart. Express your inner feel, your emotions, just as it is. Whatever it can be, whatever it can be. Express your emotions and what you feel at that right moment is what I see as a brave heart. I explained a few cases. When I started my company, there were various challenges and various hiccups, various hurdles, various better moments and all that. Once in point in time when I was developing a company and when I moving ahead, when I tried to spread the wing of the company, so I chosen almost all the people from normal average village background. So my employees were almost 70 to 75%, those who are not interacted with the bigger institutions or anything. They are all average guys. So the partners asked me, why do you choose this? You should have chosen 3 to 4 guys who is so strong, who is cultured, who is matured, and you can bring them. Then I said, what's the point in making a guy who knows about it to work in a company? Let me groom, develop, bring up a guy who has nothing and doing it as a challenge, right? Then I said, really, I believe one of my partners saying me, wow, you're so brave. So one moment I said, let it be. Then the company developed and in many it was going and it was being that. We almost thought of stuck with the competitor, right? So almost whatever we do, it's getting screwed up by the opponent. Whatever we do, we are getting screwed up. So I finally find what could be the way to solve this problem. See, we are trying our level best, but it's getting screwed up. We are getting a nomination, but that's getting screwed up. Then finally, I get hold of the guy and asked him, and we had a chat. Then asked him, why are you making us to suffer? Why are you making our plans screw up? I thought there could be some simple answer, but the guy straightforward on the face, he told me, I don't like you, or we don't like you. Then again I asked, you don't like me, so that's why you screw up all my plans, all my company thing. Then I asked you, why are you not liking it? You are talented. The next question comes from him is, I am talented. So you don't like the talent? I asked the question. Then he said, it's sort of a jealous, right? If we develop, we can't develop. So again, I stunned myself. The guy is giving straightforward answer. He said, I'm jealous. We can't do. Then I asked a question. Do you like our plans? Do you like our company products and everything? He said yes. Then I turned intern and told him, hello boss. Definitely this is not a jealous. This is called possessive. So know this thing, right? So this emotion, he really felt like that. Believe me, from that point onwards, he realized he likes us, but the problem is he thinking himself is like screwing ourselves because of jealous. But the problem is he liked too much. So too much. That's where the problem is. Then it started out. Believe me, that time if I wouldn't have not expressed my inner feel of asking questions, why this? Definitely this wouldn't have been solved. Many are problems not asking a brave question, why? Right, and I'll come with the why. Many people feel certain situations, certain things happening to them. They ask a question, why me? Right? Why me? So that's the question of a coward. Why me is a question of a coward. The important question of the brave man is, why don't I? Why don't I? Right? So that's every people in my team has put their mind the situation. They never ask the question. If they are screwed up, if they failed, the question doesn't go, why me? Instead, why don't I? Why can't I? That kind of question. So if you develop this habit, definitely you are brave. And let me come to other part of the thing. It was a over a period of time, various challenges. I moved to London. I lived in a smaller dormitory where I could share bed from almost 23 people or 24 people sometime, from various part of the country, various part of Europe, living all together. So that time it was a very, very real tight schedule. So many meetings and everything happening. There was a situation. I met a girl from Slovenia and we are interacting with each other. She said, I'm an entrepreneur. And then with a laugh, I said, I'm also an entrepreneur. Then we had a coffee together. She was staying in the next bed. I'm staying in the bed. You might ask, what should I? The guy who stayed in Lancaster, who visited Lancaster Castle, should live in dormitory, sharing bed with 26 guys. So that situation demanded me to be in Lancaster Castle, and following situation in part of my startup demanded me to stay in a dormitory. I accepted the situation. Then when I explained to her, she said, really brave, right? Really brave. And couple of days later, I was presenting so many things and to many presentations through NASCAM, to Midas, and many companies that I presented. Once I come down, there was a situation where I can't do anything about it, but I put literal of effort. I can't do anything about it. Nothing can be changed. I put lot of effort. What a heap of mountain of effort. Really came out. I was sitting in the street. I see in front of me it's getting collapsed. So I don't know what to do, right? I have anger, but who do I show it? Then the thing is, when I see that, I really literally one moment sitting in a street, totally made myself cried. Tears are coming out from both the eyes. Almost tearing for almost 5 to 10 minutes, continuously tearing. Right? Tear after tear. I didn't notice who is walking by, who is going by, and nobody else. I was sitting in a street, in a small corner, and crying myself. A gentleman who wore nice coat, nice tie, and stylish shoe, and he was walking near me. He suddenly stopped in front of me and looked at me. Hey, are you crying? Really, I was no answer, but I looked at him. I little swiped my tears and see still is staring. He come little close. Hey man, you're crying? I said in a nod face, yes. Was there a problem or anything? I said yes. So nice, you're so brave. Let that emotion come out. You're so brave. Really, I realized. Yeah, I said and nodded to him. Yes, I am brave. And another incident when a woman has to travel with me all alone to a travel. There was various challenges in their family and about how a woman can alone travel along with me to a long distance. So the family almost making all kind of a call. And when the lady told me, see, I all alone have to travel, so my family is fearing. Then, at a laugh, I said, I don't give a trouble to you in any way. In turn, do you confirm you don't give trouble to me? Then literally the girl asked me the next question, when are you booking the ticket? Right? When are you booking the ticket? I'm traveling with you. So I see the braveness in the girl. That's brave. Many years, many challenges. I never, if I feel something which is really makes me to feel jealous. I used to tell jealous, I feel jealous. I literally express my feeling, jealous. If I need to appreciate somebody, hey Machi, you really did a very good job. Really, I express. I developed my friends along all the way to express their feeling, what they feel. It could have been done much better. No, this is nice. So don't ever think the people, those who are appraising always, criticizing always, are expressing the feeling. The real sense of what they really feel, what the real emotions they're having. If you get a chance of people expressing that, don't hurt them. Let it be anger, let it be jealous, let it be happiness or anything. That's the power of brave heart surrounded by you. I end with the final note. I learned a lot of brave in my company, either exploring new countries, traveling alone or traveling with a woman, staying in a dormitory, meeting around 50 odd people or anything. But finally when COVID and all the thing came, right, there was a little financial hiccup. When the investors, part of my company who supposed to give the investment or walked out. So I was sitting all the time. My family almost in a tired state, right? So I was telling them, see, this will change. In 3 months, I'll come to a good position. And always you know that nobody respects your dream until you start make money. So all the team, all the family who supported all the period, all over a period, Daddy, you are passionate. You are so nice. But this is not the time, Daddy. Just come out of it. My wife is saying, Baba, just come out of this. See, I was sitting in that. They almost touching my ego. The 4 years of effort, 4 years of effort, or 4.5 years of effort, roaming around every part of the corner, even talking to chief secretary or chief ministers and many other guys. I could have stayed one moment. My thoughts are this. Are you able to understand me? What kind of effort that I put in, you ask me to give up? That's what my thought is coming out. But one moment there was a word, just listen our point of view. Then I slowly listened, right? You are not happy nowadays. You're so sad. You're thinking about only your company. Earlier you used to laugh, love, share and travel. Everything is stopped over a period of time. You are thinking all about only your passion, only about your company. What if in your company you succeed, but a family who supported you all along, not there to enjoy the celebration with you, right? So one moment I stunned myself, I bent down myself. That moment my emotion was really, the ego gone up. And I'll say that, okay, my dear sweeties, I give up. There were two drops of water from my eyes. That time I don't see my efforts gone in waste. I don't see my talent which is wasted. See, everybody jumped out of joy when I expressed my real moment. Yes, I give up. I give up from my company. I give up from my company. I change. I give up from my company. So there was a moment of silence. Everybody asking me, seriously, seriously, seriously? Then I said, yes, I'm giving up. With a happiness, loud laugh, my daughter jumped out of the bed and came close to me. In my ears, she murmured, Daddy, you're so brave.